Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So today I'm here at Kroger. I'm getting ready to do an Ibotta haul. I'm actually working on 3 bonuses, but I know I'll complete one today, the Bunny Hop bonus. I only have 7 items left for that one to get $10 back. My Weekend Warrior is a little high. It's 15 items for $1. And then of course the Blossom bonus I'm working on all month. I'm still accumulating rebates towards. But let's go in and check out and see what I can get here at Kroger. So I did this deal in my last week's video, but I'm gonna grab another one of these Pine Sols multi-surface cleaners, regularly priced $2.39, on sale for $2.29, mega sale for $1.79, and get 50 cents back from Ibotta, making it just $1.29. My dad has been needing one of these, and so I'm gonna go ahead and grab one for him. Okay guys, I have a deal that's probably going to be just unique to me, but these St. Joseph Low-Dose Aspirin are regularly priced $5.49, no sale price. Last week I got this $2 Catalina printed off when I made a purchase, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to pay $3.49. Ibotta has $1.50 back on one. Kroger Cashback has $1.50 back on one. It's going to leave this to be just 49 cents, which is a really great deal. My dad uses these low-dose aspirin, so I'm going to give them to him. Plus, it's going to be one more towards my bonus. I'm grabbing this soft-baked Pillsbury cookies here for... They're regularly priced $3.49, on sale for $2.99. I have a $1 off one digital coupon, so I'm going to pay $1.99 and then get 75 cents back from Ibotta. There's a lot to choose from here, so I'm definitely going to I'm going to go with the old-fashioned chocolate chip cookies, but $1.24 is going to be my final cost. Guys, I found the Clio bars this week. All right, so thank you to a bunch of you that told me these were in next to the yogurt. I did actually find them, and then we have plenty of them. So the deal is actually these are $1.99 regular price. Ibotta is going to get back $1.25 back on one, plus 50 cents back on one, plus Kroger Cashback gives 50 cents back on one, making these completely free and 26-cent moneymaker. So which one should I get? I'm leaning towards the chocolate. That's what I would normally get, but the other two look good too. So let me know what your favorite is. So these CheezIt Puffed is a pretty new product. They are on mega sale for $2.49, as you can see down there. We have a lot going on with them. There is a $3 cat that is going to print when you purchase 3 of them. Plus, you're going to get 75 cents back on one from Ibotta, making these just 74 cents each. I'm grabbing 3 of these for my deal. So I got these about 2 weeks ago, the Zero Snap tea here. Zero sugar, I should say. They're on mega sale for $4.49. I don't remember I guess the regular price is $6.49 and on sale for $4.99. Mega sale for $4.49. There's $1 back from Ibotta, which is a little high, but my husband absolutely loved these and he wanted more. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these for this haul. Alright, if you have not seen my Must Do Deals video, you definitely need to check that out. I have a deal going on with these twisted cones. It makes it a moneymaker and freebie. The problem is my store only carries the chocolate vanilla right now. They usually carry the chocolate peanut butter. It says here this is the chocolate vanilla tag, but I'm not seeing it, so it's obviously out of that particular one. I'm going to hold off on this deal, but if you want to do this deal, you need to do it because it's going to be great. But I'm going to hold off until I can see if I can get all 3 products. There's also a deal on the loaded cones as well as the loaded bars. So I do need one more item for my 6th item for the mega sale. I'm going to go ahead and grab these loaded cones. It's not the best deal ever, but my kids will absolutely love them. And just go ahead and get them. And I'm going to hopefully get the twisted cone deal a little bit later. So with everything you see here, minus the marshmallows, I did actually put those back. I was going to do this because there was an Ibotta rebate. However, that Ibotta rebate did expire, and I did take this out of my cart before purchasing. So ignore that. I didn't want to take a whole new picture for just one item missing. Everything you see here totals to be $37.81. Yes, almost $40 worth of products here. Now, after all of the coupons and mega sale and all those things came off, including the $2 for the St. Joseph's, I paid a total of $25.71 out of pocket. And at that point, I then started submitting my rebate. So I submitted to Ibotta, and I got back $8.75 for rebates, plus a $10 bunny hop bonus, plus a 50-cent Clio snacks bonus. And then on top of that, we got $2.75 back from Kroger cashback. And of course, the $3 Catalina for the CheezIt puffed 3 bags there. So the final cost after all of those rebates and Catalinas, we get 71 cents total. Yes, 71 cents total for 9 items, or basically 8 cents each. This is an absolute amazing haul. So if you'd like to see more of my haul videos, please make sure you give this a great big thumbs up and that you're subscribed to the channel. Guys, have a wonderful Easter. And let me know if you score any of these deals yourself.